Welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to be showing you how to create a simple logo that you can use for your intro on your YouTube channel. It's very simple. What you're going to do, you're going to go to canva.com. What I've done is I've signed up and everything, and what I've done is I've done the 30-day free trial. Obviously you can create your logo, and then you can cancel the what do you call it, you can cancel the free trial afterwards. That's what I've done. So yeah, so what you want to do after you've done you signed up to the free trial, you want to come here, you want to go to create a design, then create a logo. You then come to this screen. To be honest, let me see if I can. No, I'm not gonna go for. I'm just gonna be creating us. So you can choose from any one of these. The one that I chose from before was something simple. Where is it? I can't find it. Oh man, hold on. Yeah, like if you realize you have some of these that are free, and then you've got um you've got premium. You've got premium uh, templates that you can use. So I'm trying to find the one that I used before. Yeah, so I ended up finding this one. Yeah, this is the one I'm gonna be using. So yeah, this is where your workspace is. So I'm gonna be using this. Let me make that slightly bigger. Let me add a text. Let me add my name. Add heading. You can see these ones are you wouldn't be able to use these ones because they're the premium ones. So as I said, it's if you don't want if you want the best of everything, might as well just sign up for the free version and then cancel it. There's no penalty, so might as well. Yeah, do I like that one? Yeah. Right, let me add. So yeah. If you want to save that as a transparent file, what you do. Does that look nice? It looks a bit simple, innit? Oh, it looks a bit simple. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. I can't be bothered. Yeah. One other thing that you could add like elements, but to be honest, yeah, I think for me, I don't really too like them. But yeah, you can add them if you want. They have a lot. Just type in what you want. For instance, if I wanted something to do with money, type in money, and then these would come up. There's a lot, so you'd have to go through it. If I wanted cars, yeah, you get all of these ones. I said some of them are premium, some of them are free. Well, pro anyway. So, what else? Let me put lifestyle and see what would come up. Yeah, I don't know what that means, but if you wanted animals, yeah. So you just have to play around with it, to see what you'd like. Yeah, you could just play about with it, see what you like. But for me, I just want a simple logo, so I'm just gonna delete these. What you could do as well, or you could animate. So you could go simple. Let's do pop or neon, baseline, tumble. So you could animate this for the intro for your video. So yeah, you could make the logo, but I'm gonna put none. I'm gonna download it in PNG, put it at the highest quality, and then obviously if you want to use it for anything else, you just make it transparent. You can, it depends, that you can save in every format you like. So transparent, video. Well, video is the one that I just showed you. If you want to animate it, so let me download that. Yeah, and that's it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be making another video to create a logo in Keynote, but for now, just to show you how to create a simple logo in Canva. What you could do, let me animate it. I'm gonna animate it. Let me do. What I wanna do? Try and do it like, yeah, that's simple. So let me download that. See, if you did download it, I said you could use it for an intro, so it'd be like that. Obviously it's a little bit quick, but yeah, but to be honest, that's all right. To be honest, what quality did I download it? Let me see something. Oh, you can't really change the quality, but yeah, that's it. The video useful, like, just give it a like. I would also appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a comment if there's anything I could have done better. But yeah, thanks for watching, and peace.